The tailoring of the controls, this is kind of put a cap on this, kind of conclude that conversation. The tailoring of all controls is not done in a vacuum. This is something you're going to do with the team. You, as the cybersecurity person, would say, here's why I made this not applicable, and here's an explanation, and then you would present that to the team, and the organization is going to decide whether it's not applicable or not. Ultimately, they're the ones and if they say, well, it is applicable, then they should probably try to explain that. Like, okay, could you explain why? What do we put in this statement here? Implementation statement. What do we put here? I'll go to that to get that course. Yeah, get the course. And Brandon, here's another thing, man. If you have any questions whatsoever as you're going through the course, any kind of extra specifically like dealing with your system, hit me up, man. My contact information is contact@ConvoCourses.com. Normally, if it's basic questions, and I'm not coming in to do consulting on your particular system, I'll answer any questions that you have. Sometimes I'll do a specific video. If it's something that everybody needs, I'll do a video, an additional video to the course, or just for you even.